I'm filming this as this is going to be an interesting, I think, an interesting experience. So, shooting a house, very unassuming house, busy road, no driveway. I thought, oh, okay, fine, maybe a floor here, maybe an upstairs, little driveway, probably not a huge amount going on. Haven't actually been through the whole house yet, so this is kind of my experience of it. And I've only gone in for the first floor, but I've just noticed that we have a side door. So let's see if this goes anywhere. So then suddenly, hold on, you can't see through the camera just yet. Then you've got an actual garden down here. this house from the outside is just that, but inside it's getting very interesting very quickly. So it's coming, high ceiling, any lights, some lights there, and then first bedroom. Okay, fine. This is going to be one of the sales properties. Interesting having a bedroom kind of facing onto that'd be a noisy bedroom, I guess. But nice hall. And then as you come in here, this is what kind of caught my eye. We've got stairs. We've got the first bathroom. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Yikes! That is a big one. Are you alive? Oh, he's alive! Oh, he's alive. Let's get closer. Whoo! Maybe I'll save him. Am I brave enough to pick up that one? I'm not normally scared of spiders, but that is a big boy. And there's not a window for me to take him out. Okay, so you come through here, hall. Then I love this. This is really cool. This is like a little kind of sitting room. I'll need to move the TV for the photos. That's a interesting light there. Let's see if we've got any other extra lights that go on. I'll need to move the TV, but I like how got window there, a little window there. Then a couple steps up to a door, but don't have a key. You would think the key that leave at the side would be what does it, but nope, definitely not that key. Okay, so that's cool. So first floor, or entrance floor, bedroom, bathroom, sitting room. Then let's go upstairs. Up here. Quite a big. I love the slanted ceilings. That's just great. I love slanted ceilings with these little windows here. They've made it feel even bigger by having mirrors. Oh wow, we've got an infinite loop mirror going on here. Mirror with a mirror over there, like that. Oh, and it's got an ensuite. Nice tiled floors, tiled walls. Old school bidet. Don't have that very often. And up here, get a nice view over. What are we over? Hold on, open that. Oh, this is going to be a complicated floor plan. So that was the little kind of roof terrace from there. Then we've got more downstairs, and then there's a garden there. Ooh, this is going to be a complicated floor plan. And then bedroom 3, I guess we're onto here. Nice. So again, yeah. So I love the exposed wooden stuff. I love that. But yeah, so close to the road. So this is could benefit with maybe some double glazing. I'm liking the film posters up here. Then we've got another floor with a skylight up there, and cool. Love it. Oh, and look, all the wardrobe space as well. So that's quite deep wardrobes there. Loving again the exposed wood there. And then a big ensuite, shower room, toilet sink, again huge mirror, no window, so a wee bit darker, but still pretty big. Love it. And then let's see. When should we do the spider? I'll do the spider. That could be the end shot. Let's just see, is he still there? he is still there. Right. Whew, gotta take some brave pills for that. Then down the stairs we come. We've got WC with just sink and toilet and a little window there. Let's see another light. No. It must be a switch for that light. There it goes. Then it goes even more deep. But then here, let's get this. Lots of ceiling lights in here. Large window. Oh, I'm guessing a door as well. Let's peel this up. Wow, this is like a lot of brightness in. Ooh, and a very modern kitchen. Get ceiling lights in here. Got your electric cooker, got your sink, got your built-in. You've got another door there. Little kind of bar stools at the side there. So this has also been opened up. This must have been closed off in the past. And then they've opened this up to be a much more open kitchen dining area. But then I can see we've got kind of a glass door down to a living room. Down here, watch I don't bump my head. And got some stuff, so what would have this been? I have no idea. So obviously not going to take photos of that area, that's just stuff. But is this an add-on? I have no idea. This is really cool. But then double doors out, don't have key for them. Oh, hold on. It's like a computer game. Playing the computer game, find the tools to then get out. There we go. Nope. And then we're out here. And then you've got a whole garden. So you've got a couple steps, step into the garden. No, I won't go into, I'm not going to go onto the grass in case it's all wet. But yeah, then we've got just this very complicated angled shape, which is going to be difficult for the floor plan. But now let's just see that last bit that I saw down here. But yeah, so nice, cool. Got a fireplace. We've got a feature blue wall with the slit windows on either side, like that little window at the back there as well. And then I think that's it, almost done. So let's see down here. Just a big storage room. Oh, and it goes on. What? Needing light switches. In a very dark room. Wow. What? Oh, cool. Look at that. Somebody's done a Lego tower bridge. Very, very interesting. Very cool. Lots of cupboards and bags, and somebody does a lot of travelling. They've got cupboards in there, don't know what's in there, but that's an extra kind of room. Angled wall there. That's where the other room must. Oh my goodness, the floor plan. Yeah. There you go. Check out this property. Once all the photos are done and all that, I'll put the link to it in the description below, and to the match report. So I'm going to do a match report of the place as well. But yeah, so how many floors is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors. 5 floors. But this, we'd call it the smallest 5-floor property I've ever been in. Now let's do the spider. Where should I put the spider? Out the front door? Let's see. Okay, brave pills. Door open. Let's go get the brave pills. Right. Okay, here we are, Mr. Spider. Right, should we try and get him? Oh, cool. Oh, he's gonna be fast. He's gonna be fast. Oh, he's so fast. Oh, he's in a spider web. Come on, I'll get you. Eek. Come here. I'm gonna save you. oh, when I actually got weight, it's really a bit more different. There we go. Oh, and there's another spider way down there as well. Right, I'll just take this guy out. Don't want him in the photos. Whew. Look at that. See you later, Mr. Spider. You can go. Whew. Off me. Right, off you go. Woo! There he goes. Ah, God, I'm absolutely covered in spider web. Right. Whew. Whew. Brave pills taken. That's got the adrenaline going for today. Let's see. There was another one in here as well, which was almost getting dragged out. He's not here anymore. He's maybe attached to me.